Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be going over problem number 2 in the worksheet that you're working on in class today. In this scenario, we're talking about a limousine a limousine company who charges $85 per hour plus a flat $20 fee for gas. So it doesn't matter how far you drive, no matter what, you are paying that $20 gas fee. All right, so we have a table where the number of hours is X and the total cost is Y. So if I look up at this equation above the table, I see that my total cost, Y, my total cost is equal to $85 per hour. Okay, so X is going to be our number of hours plus our $20 flat fee. All right, so with this relationship, let's just test out this one right here. Okay, so if I were to rent the limo for 1 hour, okay, that's $85 per hour. So that's just $85 there. But then I still have to pay that $20 flat fee. Okay, so if I have $85 just for the per hour charge plus the $20 flat fee, I am paying a total of $105. All right, so our first question here, a group of seniors want to rent a limo for their prom night. They plan to have it for 15 hours total. How much will it cost them? Use the equation to show how you arrive at your answer. All right, first step, I have to figure out what I know. So I know that they want to rent it for 15 hours total. Okay, so I have to look back at the problem. Is number of hours going to be my X or my Y? Okay, so I see that it's going to be my X. Okay, so 15 is going to be the number of hours. Now I am trying to find my total cost. Okay, so I am trying to find Y given that X, my number of hours, is equal to 15. So I'm going to take this equation that we have up here, the Y equals 85X plus 20, but I'm going to substitute 15 hours in for X. So I have my total cost is equal to 85 times 15 hours. Okay, so that's $85 times 15 hours plus my $20 fee for gas. Okay, so now I'm just simplifying. Okay, so I have Y equals, 85 times 15. That one I do not know off the top of my head. 85 times 15 is 1,275. Okay, plus my $20 flat fee means that the total cost, Y, is going to be $1,295. Okay, $1,295 for a rental of 15 hours. Okay, now the second part of this question is going to be the opposite. So here, a couple budgeted $2,000 for their limo service for their wedding. How many hours will they be able to use the limo? Use the equation to show how you arrive at your answer. So here, instead, now I know my total cost, okay? I know that I can spend $2,000. That can be my total cost. So what I'm trying to figure out, oops, that's not what I wanted. Go away. Go away. Okay. What I want to figure out is how many hours they'll be able to rent it. All right. So I don't know what X is, but I do know what Y is. So I'm going to put $2,000 in place of my total cost. So 2,000 is equal to $85 per hour plus the $20 gas fee. Okay, and now you just have to solve for X, right? I'm trying to figure out my number of hours, which in this scenario is X. So first, I'm going to take away the numbers on the right so that my x's are all by themselves. So I'll subtract 20 from both sides. So I get 1,980 is equal to 85x. And those 20s cancel out. Now I just need to divide by the coefficient, which in this case is 85. Go away. 85. So if I divide both sides by 85, 1980 divided by 85, I get 23.294, blah, 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 blah. In this scenario, let's assume that we can't do partial hours. So we'll just say x is equal to 23. Okay, we're just rounding there. Okay, so that means that they can rent their limo, for 23 hours. Oh, no, that's not erasing. Okay, well, 23 hours, and that would be your answer.